Chad, if she doesn't know this song, she's too young for you, my bro. Reconsider it. Or if she knows this song, very likely she was born in the early 90s, even 80s, and she might be too old for you. Always two sides to a coin. If you don't know this song, you're not getting chicks, bro. That just confirms that you are gay. But when I say gay, I mean happy. Not the homosexual one. Before I get choked here. Alright, that song alone deducted $1. So only $2.5 for this stream. $4 stream went down to $2.5 stream. Keegan is taking secret trades here again, Chad. All I hear here next to me is
brother, who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Edski was very Chad, we actually need to have a discussion as a community here so that we make the right choice. Ed flew out this afternoon to KZN, Durban, for Worlds. And that's why I was all big like, oh, we can do it this afternoon on stream. So me and Keegan were chatting and we were saying, do we as a collective all go and report that channel? So by the time he gets back to Port Elizabeth, that channel is sent to the metaverse. Or do we extend some grace? I might, Keegs, you think a poll is suitable for this? Because we need to, as a community, let me, what do you rate, Keegs? Keegs, just give me your, because you also were quite offended by what has happened. Just give me your insights as well. So I'm not biased or anything.
Nah, bro, I think it's very unfair there. You ask something of your community, you receive it, and then you don't uphold your side.
Yeah, Chad, it's not something we take lightly around these parts of the world. So
I think if you think of it in a true nutshell, did Forex Insights scam you? There was a
Did he publicly say he'll shave his
yeah.
head once? Okay, Chad. No, this is getting very serious now. No. We can't let somebody just fly under the radar like that. What is a man without his word? Slashy. If a man loses his word, he loses everything. Money he can get back. Women, maybe not. He can maybe stay single for long. Muscle, you can get back, but your word. Let thine word not depart from my spirit. That is a verse. Let me just check here. Let thine word not depart. Let thine word not depart from my mouth. Joshua 1 verse 8. Let's quickly read it, Kigo. I knew this was coming from somewhere. Okay, the New King James Versions. The book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate in it day and night, that you may observe to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way prosperous, and then you will have good success. Kigo. Joshua 1 verse 8. Talking about the book, the Bible. Even Chad is a little infuriated. Currently sitting at 67. We're going to give him the benefit of the doubt. Close to the end of the stream, Keegs, I think if the Chad has voted, we will show you guys how to report the channel. And we will show you what you need to report it with. Okay. So there will be a tutorial. We'll also post it on our Instagram. How do you feel about provincial secretary? I don't know anything about that,
What?
my brother.
Where is that coming from?
I don't know anything about that. But what I do know is that gold is potentially going to set up here for us, ladies and gents. But that's enough for me. I hijacked Keegan's stream here for a little bit. I just wanted to get some of the more congressional stuff going here. But Keegan Lazy, if you're ready, we can go full screen, my brother.
We can go full screen. There we go.
The thing goes grrrr, skitty kid pop pop, and the poop poop boom, skia, boom boom boom. You don't know.
All right, Chad. Welcome back. It is Wall Street session. We're gonna see what we can get into here today. Markets are looking a bit all over the place, so we're going to see what's happening here. Gold is looking, for me personally, a bit more bullish, but we're going to see what we can get into. If it's going to just chop, or do we get something decent? We're going to have to wait and see. But, guys, please, if you were late, just go back a few minutes, go watch. But we're going to kickstart it off here. If you are new, Chad, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn the notification bell. And Chad, if we ever tell you to do something for subscribing, we will follow through with it, don't you worry. But let's see what is there for today. As always, we're going to open up these streams the correct way, and we're going to open that up with a prayer. So this is the one time we're going to come forward, yo, to you guys. We're going to ask you just slow it down a little bit, get quiet as you bow our heads and get ready to pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us all back to safety today. Firstly, we do want to, however, though, pray that you are with Ed. At least give him the benefit. Give him that safe journey and safe travels towards. And we do, as much as sometimes we might want to be friendly with him, as sometimes we can see that little bit of scam here coming out there. We want to wish him the best of luck, and hopefully he brings that trophy home again. So we just want to pray for that from Ed's side and give him that protecting and guiding grace as you always do. Lord, as we get ready as the community to take on this second episode of Trading here today, We pray that you be here with us. We pray that you guide us in the correct ways, guide us with discipline, give us that patience we might be needed with gold, and sometimes just give us the knowledge to make those right decisions, whether that is to sit out, whether it is to execute the right trades. It's very easy to pray when you want those things, but at the same time, we'll be praying and be grateful for that success when it does come in your righteous name, as you continue to give us, even though we might not be deserving of it, but that comes with your grace and your mercy. Lord, we pray all of this in your mighty name. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Chad and his heavenly children can say amen at this time. But what does that title even mean? I'm not sure where we're going now. But there are the amens. Beautiful stuff there, Chad. I'm just thinking of it now, bro. I think we do have...
we already had ADP. We've got PMI coming out.
PMI still coming out, eh? What 50. Was the ADP? Just
42.
42 over 20. I mean, it's nothing hectic.
It's better though than the minus, so it's a jump.
Yeah, better than the minus and still above the forecast. So I think that is decent for them. But PMI coming out 5 o'clock. We're going to see what happens there. And then 8 o'clock, Trump speaking tonight. All right. But we're going to lock in. The big one for us, I think, will be focusing on that PMI and what we're going to get from that side. So let's go over to the dollar. We're going to start there for you guys. We have been going a bit more on the bullish side for the dollar. That continuation just coming in. 4 hours, seeing that nice big jump. This is what we wanted to see today. We spoke to you guys earlier about the idea. You want to see what is going to happen. So trading over here, just as we ended stream, we did trade up to that previous daily high, where we can see that came in. Trading back down, holding the weekly R1 and the Asia highs with a little bit of a dip in, and then right back above previous daily high. So the fact it got above there now with that news, you really want to see this continuation come in. Even if it does go a little bit back down, this time it needs to hold that previous daily high and see us continue to the daily R1 if we are going to. Otherwise, this can go right back into the range there for us. Going over to US 30. US 30, as we spoke about, having that potential pullback after holding that monthly pivot. So remember, I said to you guys, we're neutral, but the buys could be on. If you look at the 4 hour, isn't that just a beautiful range over there? I think you are being chopped left, right, and center on that, but maybe you could get something there. As I said to you guys yesterday, I don't want to trade this. It doesn't look the best, and right now it still does not look the best. Holding above here, just up and down range. I don't want to get involved here, so going to be a while, but I'm not even going to put risk on a pair where it just looks like I'm asking to be chopped. So again, unfortunately, you could, as I say, have that possible breakout after holding this, go for that move for previous weekly lows, but again, I won't be getting involved in that. Then lastly, let's go over to gold. Gold, I'm still quite bullish. That's all coming into the idea that we are technically still this little range, so I want to see us go back up to test 4,000. On the 4 hour, you can see how we're starting to fight back. The big thing for me here is we broke above the EQ. We then held the EQ. Now we want to see Asia highs run after that fact. So we can see we're approaching that daily R1. Again, the big thing for me is that we traded to the daily R1 earlier today in that trade we had, then bouncing all the way back down. A little bit of consolidation, fake outs here. But if we can get all the way back up there again, this is where you're going to look to see daily R1 hold and see that drive of volume. But Chad, we're going to be monitoring that. We could get a nice position over there. But that is everything from me. Cribbo, over to you, brother.
Alrighty, Kigi. Chad, 90 seconds. Could be executing here. Chad, if you didn't know, we've got a thing called Project G. Keegan almost fired me today saying I'm not bringing in sales. $4 a stream is not enough. The monthly premium on that M2 is quite a lot. So if you guys can do me a favor just to up my numbers a little bit, is go and join Project G. Otherwise I might be rotated. So if you go here on the website, just join, even if you just join it for a month, just to get me out of the dog box. So yeah, I will be selling Project G a lot harder this week. Yeah, already the aircon was plugged out of my office. So yeah, it's getting into summer now. So Chad, do you want to see me sweat or do you want to see me in comfort? So join Project G. All right, let's just pin it. Where's Nightbot? Let me just pin this. Where's Nightbot? Okay, alrighty. Gigs, that's better marketing, eh? At least
That's better, bro.
Okay,
I'll give you that one.
Okay, Chad, Project G. The boys already eating 120 pips here this morning. Wait. Wow, did I miss? Shit, Chad. This is now a late entry. Okay, let me wait a little bit. What am I doing? Chad, okay, wait. Before we do the rest.
Sleeping a bit there, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for a little. Let's see if we get a little bottom wick here. Should get a little bottom wick. Oh, there we go. Okay, Chad. Almost fell off my chair. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. Chad, there's the gold position. Stops, I'm gonna make 7. Okay. And still targeting that zone up there. So that is 18. Okay. Let me just quickly set my stops. You're out of your pre-trade, eh?
Don't you worry what I'm doing.
Hey, Chad, look at this man already. I told you he was cooking there. Giga lazy. Hey, this man is naughty. I saw him take it. And he's out already. But well played, Kigo. Alrighty, Chad, let me just set. Okay, there's the trade. We'll see how she goes. $7 stop. 18. I've set my TP at 18. Okay. May the volume be with us. But let's quickly jump to the dollar. Okay, dollar on the daily we said is still bullish. When are we going to retest that daily zone for the dollar? I don't know yet, but we shall see. And on the lower time frame, this was the zone this morning. We shared potential rejections there, never rejected. Never.
You've been on my screen the whole time.
My bro. Chad, okay, sorry man. Keeks, you gotta keep me sharp here. I entered long on gold there, Chad. There's the stop. Sorry man. I thought I was already on my screen. I do apologize. Entered long there. So target is 18. Sorry man. Okay, dollar on the daily. Dollar on the daily, we said it is still super bullish. We can potentially retest, but now we are trading back above the previous daily high. This was the zone shared this morning. A little bit choppier than expected, but very simple going into the rest of the session now is what do we do at this previous daily high? If we can hold here, it is going to be a super bullish day for the dollar. If we start rejecting here, that was a little bit of a fake out on the dollar, failing to hold above the previous daily high. And we can see a much deeper pull on DXY. All right. US 30 on the daily, as mentioned, we are still effectively very much bearish, Chad, but we are holding that level. And I had quite a big zone drawn out for you guys this morning where I said if we can reject there, we can go down. But again, very choppy and unstable price action here. So the idea is still very much the same. If we can hold above here, it is still bullish for me. If we can hold below here, it is still bearish for me. Okay, that was out of zone, out of session. So we're going to see what's going to happen there. NASDAQ, exactly the same idea for me. On the daily, it was one bearish daily close after bullish close. Also holding this breakout area. Did we test that? Yeah, we did actually test it. Beautiful. what I do like about NAS now is that we are starting to trade back above the previous daily low. Okay, so if we can in fact hold this zone right here, there's a very high probability of this going very much bullish today. After testing that daily zone there, we can potentially trade all the way into that EQ of yesterday and even potentially 2 standard deviations. So for the NASDAQ traders, this is your idea that you're looking for, and for the shorts, this is going to be your idea. All right, gold on the daily, let's have a look here. Gold on the daily is still effectively bearish. We are still trading within that daily zone. I did mention to you guys on the 1 hour, we've got these tight little zones that we are trading within, and you can clearly see how we are still holding within those zones. So this morning we failed to hold above. We tried holding there. I still mentioned to you guys the reason I do not like a pattern like this is it usually shows me that it's going to break down. Okay, why? Let me give you guys a little lesson here. If you think about a level, and let's say we expect buyers to step in here, and every time the level is tested, the bounces are getting smaller. Would you agree with me that the buying pressure in actual fact is getting weaker or stronger? Let me know in the chat. Let me just do a little lesson here for you guys. Think of physics. As the ball bounces down, the kinetic energy is reduced. Okay, so it's getting weaker. Beautiful. So it's the same with this little pattern here, is that eventually as it tightens down, it is going to have that breakout, and that we had. So break even, actually a losing day for me, going from being quite significantly up, but that is the part of trading. All right, now coming back to that, so we broke back below into this zone. There was that hourly zone we spoke about, holding beautifully and back into the zone again. All right, this trade for me was taken off the 15-minute idea that we are holding now above that 15-minute 200 EMA. All right, rejection there, break above, failed to hold there, and now we had a nice little consolidation candle there, break into this zone with the expectation of trading higher now. Okay, could be wrong. That's the beauty of trading. I always expect to be wrong until proven right. That's a trade we executed. And then German 30, I think by popular vote, we're just going to chalk it. Do you guys still want German 30? Let me know in the chat section there quickly. I was actually getting my hair cut while it was at the low. So, and then after that, I had lunch with a mate from Germany. So, yeah. Quickly let me know if I can get 10 yeses for German 30. I'll still do it. We've got 1 no, please. Okay, that's 2, 3. I need 10 yeses, Chad. I can't do. Okay, that's 5. At least 10. If I can get 10, yes, that's 6.
Are you wanting to keep it?
7, 8, 9. Wait, need 1 more. 1 more. Okay. All right. German 30. Let's do it for you boys. I do what the community wants of me. German 30, as mentioned, I am still overall bullish. This is just a very deep pullback, very deep corrective move. Daily time frame is within these 2 ranges here. Okay, so now what I'm looking at is what are we doing on the lower time frame. This morning I mentioned to you the idea that we held above the previous daily low is a bullish sign for me, and I think I had something drawn out like this. Okay, didn't get that, so still bullish. there's your daily flip. If we hold this daily flip, all of this was bottom wick, and we can start to move to the upside. First area of interest is going to be this area right here. We can either reject it, that is that daily resistance level that got broken down, or if we can close above it, we can trade all the way back. We can trade all the way back in there. Okay, so these are your two ranges to consider. Okay, so from here up there, reject, or beautiful holds above and we push up. Okay, so if you are going to be buying, you need to start looking for your buys here. This is the daily flip, quite a key level. If you are looking for sells, you should be waiting for breaks below. So buyers should already be in. Sellers should wait. Kigalezi, there's your.
Should I not be in, bro?
If you're buying, you should be technically in.
Okay.
Or you can wait for some type of little flag formation, minor structure break there, back into the range.
I got you.
All
Alright.
Okay. How did that trade go, Keeks?
We don't ask these questions, bro. We don't do this pocket watching here on the stream.
Exactly. Kiki. Kiga lazy.
Bro, but how nice is that M3 spec?
Oh, bro, I love it.
That spec.
Okay, let me, Keeks, I'm just going to mark it Prodigy again quickly.
Go for it, bro.
Okay, let me just show you guys quickly. Chat, alright, so literally quite
Is
a couple
Is
of...
this the one that you saw that's there?
Where?
At PE.
No, it's a brand new one.
Oh, because
It's-
this one's also there now. It's like a dark blue with a white intake.
No, it's literally a brand new one that landed.
Bro, this isn't a bad deal.
I wonder if that's not the guy.
This is a 2024 model.
Is that not Chase's one
It's
that
not.
got sent
No,
back?
because remember that.
Oh, it's
full
blue,
black.
yeah.
This
Oh,
is
yeah,
blue
yeah,
with white
okay, yeah.
interior. This isn't bad, bro. 2024.
You don't have to convince me, bro. That's hard. Chad, okay. Here's it. This is what I drawn out for the guys before the stream on the 15-minute time frame. Drawn out with precision. The boys knew. I already showed you how we drew it out this morning. Project G. If you want to know the move before the move, Gigs, how was that? That was good marketing.
That was a good
Move
marketing,
before
bro.
the move. Precision.
I'm proud of you, bro.
Look
Good
at
you
that.
go.
Look at that.
Brother, who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.
Smash. Weren't you also in this trade?
Gigs, what do you mean? I orchestrated this shit.
Jeez, look at him go, Chad.
I'm the one feeding Project G here today.
Sheesh.
I already drew the markets out for the guys this morning and now this afternoon.
Okay, I gave the morning, bro.
The sales, we've made one sale today, bro. Those M3s are not gonna buy themselves.
It's tough out here, bro.
One sale. Chad, can we get one more sale? Project G. Today, smash. But you're out already, Abrovsky.
Don't ask these questions, bro.
Bro, let me just see at least. Man is doing work, Chad. I want to invoice you for my signals. I'm kidding. Stunning. Can't wait for the day we chalk gold. What checks? Why? Why would you want to? Brother, all I eat is meat and smashed potato, brother. Okay, where's Brian? I haven't seen Brian yet. It keeps being tested. It will eventually break. Corrector. Why? Okay. Hey, there we go. You wash your dirty mouth out now. I agree with you. I agree with you, bro. I've been profiting. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Chad, one sale. You guys gotta help me out here.
Chad, that is it, baby. Markets are open round 6.
Round 1.
Yeah.
Fight.
Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Bro, also yesterday didn't make a sale. So, Chad, you gotta give me at least 2 sales now. Those M cars ain't cheap. Bro, how did we not make a single sale yesterday?
Marketing, bro. I told you.
Okay, no, I'm gonna have to get stuck in here, bro. $4 and $1 checkout links ain't gonna buy no M cars, bro.
Right.
Why is there 40 guys that paid $1 for Project G?
That's the legacy plans.
Now there's even legacy, bro. Do you want the M cars or not? Giving out legacy plans. Yes, dude. So that puts our total to $90 for the month. Jeez. All right, now, Chad, we're gonna have to start punting this Project G. Brian, just send me that. Just send me that testimonial again. If you can do a video, that will also help. Jexy, thanks so much for that. For that 70 Madiba rants. Chris, what is my break even? So my break even on this, if I'm being very honest with you, is not now. Not now. My break even on this, how I will be trading it, is if on the 15 we come back, we test, we create a minor resistance area, we re-break, then I will go break even. But there is a high probability that we can push into that zone, because you can see we've been filling out these zones. Almost similar to this little play here, where we faked out below the zone, we came back inside, and then we went to the next zone. So that's the idea, okay, in theory. But also in theory, this could be the fake out. This right here could be the fake out to then come back into this range. So
There's a lot of theories.
There's, bro, this is gold. This thing has been chopping and churning. So I wouldn't go on anything I'm saying, bro. I think you must do your own thing. Don't follow me. Let me check if we got a sale yet. No. Shout out, you guys really not gonna give me a single sale yet today. I'm literally asking for one sale.
I told you, bro. You're gonna work for it.
Chad, one sale. Bro, no sales yesterday. One sale today. We don't share signals, but we forecast the markets. So we show you what the markets are going to do beforehand, because we programmed the algorithm for gold. So we're not really allowed to signal. We have to visually show you what it's going to do. Otherwise, I don't want to call their name, could take us out. Because we could potentially collapse the entire financial industry.
Do a free account giveaway to first 5 subs, then you'll actually get it quickly.
I don't know, I wouldn't say it's signals, but we just draw out what we're looking for and then we just wait for candle closures and then we execute. So I don't think you can get more straightforward than that. Sanborna. Good afternoon, my brother. What is the dollar doing? Alrighty. Dollar Roro. Dollar Rara. Bro, if Tesla's down again today, yo. Tesla is hurting.
I think it's playing with you, bro.
Yo. Hi, Tesla.
Yeah, there's markets.
Lele. Right, did I hear a sale?
I don't think so.
Still no sale. Nah, I'm gonna come out with vengeance tomorrow, bro. You're gonna see me. I wanna pump out a few sales tomorrow. Shay, Chad, sale has been made. You know what? That gentleman that signed up now is getting a $5,000 VF account for free because he was a legend. Let me know if you're in the chat. I can see who it is, but I want you to claim it, my brother. You are getting... No, wait. I can see who it is.
Yeah.
I don't want to, I can't dox people here. So if you're in the chat here, please let me know.
Bro, I will laugh that person was not even on the chat. Gold holding on, yeah. Two things for me are gonna happen, yeah, Chad. The way gold's holding, yeah, it's either gonna break out or it's gonna completely just reverse now.
Chad, please show me who. I can see the name here. Bro, I hope he's on the stream.
I was gonna say I will laugh if he wasn't on the stream.
Okay, my brother. If you are the second
Well,
sale,
there, bro. I think that's the guy there.
where?
Give it away to the chat.
That is him, my Chad. Alright, we're gonna do a giveaway. Luke, you absolute beauty. Alrighty, beautiful. Luke is a legend. He's giving away his $5,000 account. Let me just make a little note here so we can
Rixie,
give it
that
away.
was the second person. There we go. Yeah. Edith
That's
Brown
2
was the
sales.
second one.
Where's Edith? Edith! You know what? For you, also going to give a $5,000 VF account for free. Just make notes here. Okay, but you guys have to refund me for those projects.
No.
Alright, chat. You guys got to thank Luke, subscribing, giving me 1 sale. Edith, absolute legend as well. Edith might be like, nah, bro, chat, I'm taking this account. You guys need to. Nothing wrong with it. Edith, Luke coming through strong here. Nah, bro, if you don't make. I've made 2 sales on stream here, bro. I'm setting a standard here.
You can do that, bro. I want to see it.
Chat, we're gonna see who pumps the sales here. I want my affiliate link. I don't want you to take my sales and say. Alrighty, ladies and gents, 2 sales cooked for the day. That is officially 2 sales in the book. Who says I can't do sales? Edith, let me just Edith, just monitor that email you registered with for your account. Are you registered with Vault Funder, Edith? Just make sure that you are. Beautiful. And Luke's one, we're going to do the giveaway a little bit later. Beautiful, y'all. Just go sign up there for me, Edith. Let's see. We've got 5 minutes for the global, 20 minutes for the services. Okay, Goldilocks. Let's see what she's doing. Dollar getting crushed a little bit there. US 30 also getting a little bit crushed here. NASDAQ still within the range there. I think all of these are waiting for that services PMI. Gold coming back hard. Alrighty, let's see. Gold here, let's see if we can hold above here. Was I up 1 to 1? I don't think I was up 1 to 1.
No.
No, close. Oh, no. Try to be. What is the registration about? Oh, Piers. Top secret stuff here, my brother. Top secret stuff. Two sales. Yebo. Tank of petrol has been secured. Damn, bro, it feels good making sale, yeah.
What do you do in marketing, bro?
Look at those 2 little sales there. Bang. Beautiful. Chad, just for the next 15 minutes, we're going to do a sweet deal here. I'm not going to tell you guys what the deal is yet. But for the next 3 sales, it is juicy. I'm telling you now, it is juicy. The next 3, it is going to be juicy. But here's the catch though. It has to be 3. So 3 of you need to come together as one. Execute that Project G membership. And all 3 of you. I'm telling you now. It is going to be juicy. Gotta set the bar high. I want to see Keegan sell tomorrow morning.
Okay, wait. But are we giving stuff away yet to make a sale?
No. Keegan, you come with your own tactics, bro.
No,
I've got
no.
my sales tactics.
Your sales are giving VF accounts.
No, Keegs.
You're
There
not
wasn't.
dropping the Project G price.
No, don't worry about
No, I
Prodigy
know what
dropping
you are
price.
doing here.
Chad, all I'm saying is you guys never said I must push sales.
No.
You guys said we need sales.
Bro, this guy's Chad. This is the guy who's gonna go drop it to like 10%, and then be like, "Bro, check, I made 10 sales."
Chad.
Meanwhile, that's the value of one sale.
Hopefully we're going to continue. Chad, all I'm saying is the next 3 guys. I want to make it sweet for you guys. Sweet.
Don't listen to him, Chad. I don't know what he's doing, but don't.
Bro, Chad, it's not looking great, eh? Closed back below here. Oh, this is not good. If you're nervous, this is your time to get out of this trade now at entry. This is your time to get out now. Yeah, I should also actually be out. I should be short now. Wait, let me just check. What is my total risk on this trade? Gold. Flip sakes.
I mean, I think it's still valid for you.
Nah, it's...
You can still hold there, bro.
This is trouble, my bro.
If it holds, yeah, you're fine. If this...
Nah, this is trouble, Keeks. This is sell mode, my G. It's not holding that zone, my G. So what's gonna happen now? It's gonna come all the way back here, my dude. Because their rejection break, come back in, closed below. Yo. And the 15 closing below there. Yo, wait, I'm gonna kill this and go short.
I won't lie to you, yeah, that's all I say, check that, bro.
Damn.
Cheers.
Wait, I just wanna close it quickly. Shit. Okay, chat, I'm short. Short, I'm gonna go 7 as well. How much is this? At least give me 1 to 2. Okay, stop loss $7. Oh my flip, my bro. Let's go for a young 1 to 2. Yeah, Chad, sorry, man. Here's my thing. As mentioned earlier, we do expect it to push up, but we closed back below here, okay? And as mentioned, we are just playing this range. And if you effectively look on the 15-minute as well, look left with me, okay? We've got this entire zone here, all right? We failed to get through it. Big bearish engulfing candle, big width, nice girth, taking the top previous top wick. Could be wrong, again, could be absolutely mauled here. But the idea is simple, is that if we cannot hold above that zone, then we are just going to trade back into the range. Okay, that's what we've been doing the entire day. That's my idea. Where will I go break even? I will absolutely 100% go break even here. Right at that zone. Because there we can potentially bounce again. Yeah, it's struggling to break through anything. It was very close to 1-to-1 on that previous one. The stop could have actually been 50, but it's fine.
You should really be up on that then nicely, bro.
I am up quite nicely, Keegan.
Hey, look at him go, Chad.
I am quite nicely. Look at me adapting and making sales. Chad, I still need 3 sales.
Yeah. You did make another sale now 3 minutes ago.
Bro, don't lie.
I did. I thought you turned off the sound. Genuinely, it came there 3 minutes ago.
I didn't see it yet. I don't know. Let me refresh.
That was after Edith. There was another one. 4. There's another one. Look at his smile there,
Okay,
Chad.
so I made 2. So I said, so we need 1 more for that deal. Okay, what time is this coming out? 11. Your PMIs missed a little bit. Ooh.
They haven't come out yet.
No, the manufacturing PMIs.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say they are.
Yes, dude, Chad. I'm catching on a cock here, my bro.
Someone's got to do it, bro.
Wait, I'm gonna just do this, just to reset this session. Flip sakes.
To be fair, bro, I do like this. Like, this is a valid entry now. And there's your next one. There you go.
Wait, was that a sale? No,
That was a sale.
that was the alerts.
Now, sale.
Okay, so how many? There were 1 more. So
I can tell you, how many did you want? So from Luke, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
okay, ladies and gents, for those 3 that just joined, you guys will be getting a complimentary 1 month free of Project G. So you technically paid 50%. 1 month on us for being legends. Signing up right here, right now.
I feel like we will discuss this next time, but okay.
You gotta give me T's and C's to work with, Kigo. You can't tell me push sales. So, extra month. Edith, not you, eh? You're getting a $5,000 VF account. And Luke gave his one away.
So just to classify, it would be
The last 3 that joined.
Emil. I'm not gonna say their full names, but Emil, Sure,
Bro, what cock am I catching on you, Kiga Lazy?
Sure, and Legal. You guys are the 3.
Bruh, what am I doing here?
I don't know what you're doing, bro. I'm chilling.
Nah, I gotta review my trades tonight. I caught on so much cock today.
Bro, you did that.
Nah, bro, I caught on cock, my G. What am
I love you, bro, but you did really catch your cock today.
Yes, dude. Like being up $3,000 to being down. Yo, Chad. Okay, wait, let me just reevaluate. I was so busy pushing sales there. Bro, what am I doing here? At this stage, I don't even know what I'm doing here. Okay, now let me... Okay, chat, I put my TP back where it was. I initially had it at the lows here. Okay, let's reduce the stop loss to just above there. Let's work smart here. Okay. We had that rejection there. Bro, why am I in this trade? Now I'm closing it, Chad. I'm out. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm out of that trade. What cock am I catching on here, Keeks?
Right, I'm leaving you to figure that out.
No, wait. Let me quickly.
If you telling me you entered in again.
No, Chad. Wait, I'm gonna stand up a little bit. I'm quickly gonna go get that account for Edith. Let's wait for.
You won't be able to get it now. Support's gone already.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do it myself then. But I'm anyways just gonna stand up a little bit. Just take a walk. Just warm up this last bit of coffee. Just reevaluate the markets here. So yeah, let me.
James, the 200 EMA is below. How come sell is valid?
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm
that's
doing.
Why
that's
we say
exactly why I'm gonna just walk away quickly.
Dennis, you're right. That's why he's saying he's cashing on Kakia. Keeks, you need to review the G's agreement. No,
all I'm saying is
trust me, I'm
sales,
going to
bro.
Brian.
All I'm saying is 5 sales were made. That's the stream record, eh?
What stream?
No, sales.
What do you mean the stream record?
I did my first streamathon, yeah. 5 sales.
Streamathon. You should stick to sales. Hey. No, we need to check his sales a bit, but but yeah, Chad, markets are, I don't know what they're doing now. I think they priced, or we're waiting for that PMI. So we just need to see what that PMI is going to give us. But until then, gold is up and down. Alright, sorry Chad, I'm just busy finishing this up here. Keys, my name's not on there. To be honest, I think there is a lot more traders getting chopped in this market, 100%. That's what I said to you guys. We had our nice trade this morning. We would look this afternoon. If we don't get something clean, we don't go for it. That's the thing, guys. People think you want to get rich overnight. They have to trade. That's not what trading is. You get to a point where you can take one trade a day. That sorts you out. But guys try to force too much thing. They catch on cock. And then they complain.
I'm ready again. Chad, I'm back. I'm
Oh,
back.
boy.
Did I get another sale?
No.
Okay, 5 of these. I'm happy with 5.
I created an account with Vol funded by I'm Lost. Is there maybe a video I can follow?
And we still have to do a giveaway for Luke's account. Alright, what are we doing here? Let me just reassess these thick and thin candles are throwing me off, Chad. It's not suiting my eye.
Oh, now is it...
It's that, bro. Wait.
But they're all the same, bro. I think your eyes are just... You need to have them checked.
And then one day where I'm going to go for the 1-2-1s, it's going to run 1-2-2. Oh, Chad. Come on. Okay, let me just see what is going on here. Okay, I've got something that I can cook with here.
Are you going to go again?
Bro, I go till I stop. I've got a zone. Okay, Chad. No, not now. Immediately, I'm gonna wait for this news in 2 minutes. Edith, I'm gonna get support to contact you tomorrow. But in the meantime, let me just quickly get the team to do a solid quickly.
Ooh, I think PMR is good. Gold taking a shot there quickly. Maybe your sales would have worked, bro. Okay, your sales definitely would have worked. We are back at Asia highs.
Keegs, I'm telling you, bro.
PMI positive. 50 was previous. 50.7 was forecasted. We got a 52.4. So very, very good print for PMI. So there we should be seeing the dollar. There we go. Starting to run very, very nicely. Or actually a gap up from the dollar. And there you are seeing gold mounting away. If only someone was in gold sales at this point in time. But there it absolutely runs away.
I need to go and refresh. I need to go and refresh and renew. Hi, Chad. We good. Let's go. Let me get. I'm back. I'm back. Put me in, coach. Alrighty. Okay, the theory was true. There was a little test. Okay. Let's see what is cooking here. 52 solid. Dollar gapping up. Jeezy Louise. Okay, US 30. Nas, you beauty. Okay. I was in. Okay. Anyways, let's refresh. Chris trades rinsing my account. Fabs, you should not be taking any of my trades. You should not be taking any of my trades. And by the way, this trade we took here also ran almost 60. No, more. Because we waited for the bottom wick. So, yeah, my brother. Shouldn't do a thing that I'm doing. Please. We trust the 2Gs more than the 2Gs. Hey, who held the sell?
Yo, Chad.
Beautiful, Andre. So we gave it to you both ways. So, Fabs, I think you're rinsing your own account. Okay, let's quickly get Nightbot on here for that giveaway. Edith, just check your emails. Nightbot, let's quickly do another account giveaway here. That's not a sale, bro. I'm just letting you know. That's not a. So I'm still sitting with the record for 5. Keegan is going for his stint tomorrow. 5 sales in the bag. I also just need to adjust those last 3 to a 2-month. Okay, wait, Keeks, I'm gonna throw on your screen. I just want to screenshot this. Bro, I don't even know how to give them extra month, but I believe there is a way.
They will lose access and they'll be re-added on a legacy plan.
Oh, is that the legacy plan?
That's legacy.
Okay, let me just get the legacy boys going.
So that will just be noted that we'll add legacy onto their stuff.
You're gonna check Keegan watching YouTube videos tonight on how to sell.
I don't need to, bro. You forget I made the big ones. I did the yearly sales.
Let me just... Chad, we gotta get a yearly sale. Where's my yearly sales, boys?
If you got a yearly sale now, I'd be like, okay, all right. The man can do all right. He can sell. But no giving anything away to get the sale. Or changing prices. Or doing...
Okay, let's check here. Oh, look at Taco coming through like a champion. Alright, your 30 days will be added right now. I don't know how you got to that page, but it looks incredible, Daco. Daco, what a legend. Okay, let's get Nightbot on here for you guys. Chad, that wasn't a sale, that was the alert, so. YouTube. Okay, giveaway time. Guys, I have to thank Luke for forfeiting his account. For the Chad, Luke, may you be blessed, my brother. Okay, giveaway time. Chad, to be... Wait, let me just check here quickly. Okay, oh wait, how does this work? Okay, chat, so make sure you drop something in the chat. You've liked the stream and you are subscribed to be valid to enter. Currently we've got 5 entries. Oh my word, thank you Chris, just got the email. Beautiful, my brother. Chris, am I part of the 3 guys getting another month for free? The name I used was Neil. Neil, if you were part of that last 3, then you are absolutely getting a free month, my brother. You are absolutely getting a 3 month free month. Free. Tinus, asseblief my vriend. Ons is op stream, jong man. Tina's gonna phone me. If I join now, can I get 12 months for free? If you join the yearly plan now, I'm giving you an extra 12 months for free. 12 for 12. Keys, you're right if I lock a yearly in your... No, I'm kidding, Chad. I get it. 12 for 12 is a little... We're already making $2 per stream, so we gotta take a little bit somewhere. Let me just quickly...
Sorry, Chad, I'm just sorting something out, yeah. Sure, bro. Chad, you may see this. That was actually a very good buy you took, bro, for Asia Eyes. You may see this guy's prophetic zones, Chad. He's learning quickly.
Hi, Kiki.
That's a quick 100 is 100, bro.
Hi, Kiki. And I'm always the one. 1-1, 1-1. You taught me this cock, bro.
What car?
When I was taking 1-1s, you were taking like 1-5s. It's like, no, I just checked the volume. The volume is going. I was like,
Yeah, but there's no volume now.
Keeks, how do I know there's no volume, bro? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Nah, Chad, this 1-2s is it's cock, my bro. Okay, Chad, let's do that giveaway.
Oh, Jackie Chan, go over here.
Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Hakim Nderito. Hakim, you are the winner, my brother. Hakim, please let me know if you are in the chat right now. Hakim Hinderito. Hakim, do you know the process, my brother? Just want to make sure you know the process to get that account to you.
Bro, how hectic though, hey? So it's literally how many days is that from the 28th? 1, 2,
Just
3.
want to copy this quickly.
6 days.
No, that's well played. That's well played.
Chad, we're cooking up something for you guys. But you'll see it later. Just to prove a point. Bro, imagine we get that thing like proper big.
5, good. Hakim, please do me a favor. Please email. I don't know the process. Please do me a favor. Email support@vaultfunder.trade. Right there, Nightbot said it. Support@vaultfunder.trade. Please share a screenshot of your YouTube username with them, and they will do the rest from there for you. All right, Hakim, well done, well done. Edith, Luke, absolute legend. 100 is 100. Hi, Rian, Don, what a G. Even Iron 2K giving the same trades. Wow. Yo, bro, sales is quite tiring, dude. I get to bed at least.
Nah, bro, we're running Battlefield tonight, bro.
Carrying the G's on my back. Now we are.
I'm not getting chalked, so tonight I'm jamming, bro. Chad, if any of you guys are seriously good at Battlefield, hit us up. We might need a little bit of a carry because we're getting tired, yeah? So if you're happy to carry us a little bit when we catch it on cuck, because if you think we catch on shit when we trade in, wait till you see us play games.
Bro, but the thing is though,
What now?
like today, bro, it is. It's that thing I was running away from money. It's that thing where the money, like, it's like, here's it. And then I'm
Yeah,
like,
you had that
no.
thing today of,
I don't want the money.
yeah, it was.
I don't want. No. $2,500. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me. I want 7,500.
So actually, send me a message, bro. I don't think I have you on WhatsApp. Send me a DM, my brother. I'll send you my username. We're obviously going to bounce around with the squads tonight, whoever's online at what times. But yeah, then we can jump.
Yeah, Chad, I'm going to give it a little bit more. There is one setup for real. I'll share it with Project G as well that I'm honestly looking at. So just looking at that. It's a day where money is running off to 50 cal. No, honestly, Chad, my trading today was, entries was good. Trade management, absolutely horrific. Absolutely horrific. But here's my thing, though. Here's my thing. The same idea we had with this potentially rejecting there, coming back in the range, that was exactly the same idea I had this morning. That this could now, after closing above, we could get that move into that next zone. So that was the idea there. Then same thing a little bit earlier. Okay. Okay, yeah, so here's the thing. You expect, again, the potential that we're going to push up. This right here, the short, I don't think it's the worst because, again, you're almost expecting that thing of didn't hold, come back. But we are trading into a news event, which is never really a good thing. And yeah, it's technically, even though we had a very nice push during Asia, it's still very much choppier. So that trade I took, where did I take it this morning, Kigo? It was here, there, yeah. So this trade here ran almost 150 pips, break even on that. Remember, I took that little extra one there. Absolutely horrific scenes. This one here also running close to 1-to-1. I think we on that pullback there, it was very close to 1-to-1. Stops was 7. 39.80. Like I said, if you think about it on the daily, we are effectively bearish on the daily. But then also, like I said, we are still within this one daily candle. So I think it was earlier in the year, or it was last year, when we were trading also like that within one daily candle. Where was it? What was the weekly candle? I think it was here. Let me just go back quickly. Yeah, it was here. We were literally for weeks. For weeks we basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 8 weeks, we literally traded within one bullish weekly candle. So I'm not, we can be trading in this daily range for a month. Could be 4 weeks, it could be 8 weeks, it could be however long. So I'll go tonight and alright, Kiga, but I think we can call it. The wins were already there.
That's perfect, my brother. Yeah, Chad, let's we can wrap it up here.
Let's see what Tesla is doing.
We're just gonna wait, Chad. We're gonna see. We just need this 5 minutes to close. Then
no, that's the beauty.
Trade.
That's the beauty of Project G. Project G already has the source. They know what to do.
Nah, Chad.
Screenshots will come through.
Yeah, you know what, Chad? I'm not gonna lie. It gets to the best of us. For example, these were the conditions how I blew some of my funders after a while, and that's just the reality of it. Like, you make money, and what happened the time where it becomes unfortunate is the time I decide, hey, this is where I'm going to push to get on a leaderboard, is when we get choppy price action, and I got absolutely wrecked. And that's just part of the game, Chad. So Again,
That's trading.
I'm not saying that now. Like now it's alright. That's why I will be strict to myself, because I've bumped my head a lot of times before I'm at this point of saying, okay, Keegan, just chill, call it a good day. But it happens to the best of us. I am actually going to be making a bit of a post for you guys about it later on, but nonetheless, Cribbo, closing remarks for you, brother.
No, I think, Chad, we are ranging. I still mentioned to the guys last night there were about 2 opportunities later in the evening. And I still said it's that idea of we waiting, we anticipating, and that's maybe the wrong thing. We anticipating a big move to come out of this range. And now every single day
We want to try catch it.
we try and catch it. So from Monday to now, if I just locked in my 1-to-1s, I think it would have been like a 5R week. But effectively now I'm down 2R. So
those mind games. Because it's like you say, you take the break evens,
Yes.
but now you're irritated because you've left so many break evens on the table. Eventually, you're going to crack.
So yeah, I think it's just that case of up until we see something good, and even if we miss the breakouts the first few times and we start getting some dailies out of this range, I think up until then, I think the 1-to-1s I will be locking in.
There we go, Chad. But that's it. As we said, it's cuck sometimes having these weeks, especially when we go off the weeks we've been having. I think like the big one is when you look at the daily. We've been trading in a daily candles range for the last 3 days now, 4 days, where we've been used to having just continuous massive daily candles. So it is a bit of a mindset shift, but it's part of it. But these are the weeks that are going to make it for you as a trader, to really see where you are at as a trader now, with discipline, with your rules, with management, with greed, FOMO, all of that type of stuff. These are the weeks we do need it for those reasons. But Chad, otherwise we can still close this off as a very, very good week. It's only Wednesday. We still have another 4 sessions to go, and you don't ever know what's going to come on that chart tomorrow. So we're going to see you guys there. Prodigy, you guys will obviously be alerted to anything that does happen. But Chad, we're going to see you guys same time, same place tomorrow. As always, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. And Chad, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
Saw you in a field of ice and snow, holding out your hand for me to go. Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voices and guide you. You give yourself over, yeah, you don't wanna fight. If you do, I'm gonna bid you a hard, cold goodnight. Baby, hang on to your ticket, you're doing alright. And if you don't trust it, hold it up to the light. not you, not here, then I don't